Everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Today I wanted to share some happy mail from Serenity Creations. You guys know her. Thank you so much, Anna. I've been dying to open this little package up, but this morning I was too busy making a card for my sister. So anyway, I finally got a chance to record a video. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, but I just wanted to show you guys the cute little package. I love how she used the notes wrapping paper, and then look how cute these stickers are. Are they not adorable? Look at this, it says Happy Mail. So I love that. Just thought I'd share that with you because she took the time to you know, decorate the package for me. So thank you so much, Anna. Okay, so I'm gonna be right back. I'll open this up and then I'll share with you what's inside. Okay, so it looks like she decorated one of these mailers with Buenos Dias, which I absolutely love, and I'm actually working with this collection right now, aside from my digital paper that I'm working with. But thank you so much, this is so cute. So it looks like she decorated the box all around, and then here's the back. How fun. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it and let's see what she has in here. Oh my goodness, look how cute. So she has this she decorated the top lid, and then oh my goodness, what did you put in here? So oh my gosh, look how adorable. So it looks like she used, did you use a die? Or, let me see if she says anything. Let me just read the note real quick. And hope they fit. I wonder what she made me. Okay. Thank you, Anna. This is so cute. Look at her little balloon. And oh my goodness, look at that. You guys, she put little sequins. They almost look like bead caps, but they're little cupped sequins. She put them inside, like she put them through the coils. That is so cute. How adorable. Okay, that's genius, girl. I'm gonna have to try that now. So I love how she just used wire to wrap it around, and then she did the coiling. I do love to do the coils for the for like the balloons, and she has happy birthday here, a little charm that she put together. And then look at this. This must be one of the Bona's Live Love Scrap. She sells these flares. Which I haven't even had a chance to order, but oh my gosh, they are so stinking adorable. And look, she put it in on a sunflower. I love that. Oh my gosh. Okay, leave it to Anna to, you know, she loves like making flowers, you know, floral stuff. That's her thing. Oh, this is so cute. That is so cute. So it looks like she made me a little shaker here on top. That's how she decorated it. And look at that. Oh, you used like a super duper thick foam. Oh, I'm sorry. I think it's this way. And then she did the paper clip with just some charms and beads. So cute. And it says yay, I think. Yay? Oh, joy. I'm sorry. It says joy. There's a word that says joy on the inside, and then she put some resin flowers. Super cute. Oh, and then look. It's a little, what do you call it? I think I saw your video on this. I'm not sure. But I know she bought the mini cinch. And yes, this is so cute. So I have a little cupcake sticky note, and then there's the cover. That is so pretty. I love that. Thank you so much. Yay! Oh my gosh. You and Natalie. Oh my gosh. Now I have two of these. Yay! This is so cute. I have yet to get one of these pens. It's on my cart, but I just, I don't know why, I just haven't had a chance to buy this pin. Anyway, how pretty is that? She put this chain, so cute, and I love it. It's this purple, pinkish purple color. Thank you so much for my pin. I love it. Yes, girl, yes. Oh my gosh. Anna always, I swear, she always gives me jewelry because she is so amazing. She makes the best jewelry. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Not cute, it's gorgeous. It's so pretty. Oh, I love the colors, girl. Yes. Yes, it fits. It fits, girly. Oh my gosh, it's a whole set. Look at this, you guys. She gave me some earrings. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh, and this green is, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Ah. Do you guys see how gorgeous this is? Oh, she just knows how to pick beads. I love it. Oh my gosh, girl. So pretty. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. Oh, and if that wasn't enough, she gave me another one. Oh, girl. Oh my gosh, you're killing me right now. You are killing me. I love these. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous. It is stunning, my dear, stunning. And look, she put a little crown. That's so cute. And then let's see if it fits. Yes, it does. I have the tiniest wrist, you guys, but I do like it dangling a little bit. So thank you. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Oh, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can untangle this. But you guys, look at this gorgeousness here. See, I would never think of, you know, putting something like this together. This is just, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. These beads are so pretty. Oh my goodness. They just sparkle so much because they're multifaceted. Oh my gosh. Okay. Dying right now, girly. Oh my gosh. Okay. She said she was going to make me, she had made me stuff, but oh my goodness, I didn't know you were going to give me jewelry. Oh, these are so fun. Look at these, you guys. She did a tutorial a while ago doing this, and this has been kind of on my to-do list. I just haven't really done it yet, but she wire wrapped this whole thing. Okay, do you guys see that? It's like she wire wrapped the whole thing. And she has a tutorial. I'm gonna see if I can find her tutorial, you guys, and I'll leave the link. But I remember I saw her tutorial on this and I thought, oh my gosh, that is so neat. Thank you. Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. Thank you, girly. Love those. And then, oh my goodness, okay. All right, and then the rest is stuffing. But oh my gosh, I know what this is. Oh, wait. Okay, it broke, my dear. Oh my goodness, how did that happen? She had it bubble wrapped and everything. Okay, so I'm not gonna take it out because let me get a Ziploc. Let me get a Ziploc and I'll be right back because I don't want any of the glass to go anywhere because I have a dog and he's so naughty. Okay, guys, right, so unfortunately the glass tube that contained these broke, so I had to dispose of it, but that's okay. this is what we really want anyway. So I just thought it was super clever how she did this. She put like screw pins in there in the cork, and then it holds the earrings. Isn't that cool? It's so cool. Okay, I'm not even going to try to take that out right now, but this is the matching earrings that go with this. So how pretty. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Anna. This was so very, very sweet of you to gift these to me. Oh my goodness. I love it. And I don't go anywhere right now, but I can't wait till I actually start going out again. And so I can wear these fun jewelry that you have given me. It's so beautiful. I so appreciate it, and I absolutely love all your creations, Girlie. Thank you so very much. I did get my COVID shot, so I got it yesterday along with my daughter. So it's only my first dose, so I mean my first shot vaccination. So of course I have to go back in 3 weeks and get another one. And then, yeah, but hopefully after that, then, you know, I'll be a little more comfortable going out. And so, yes, so thank you so much for my birthday goodies. I so appreciate it, Anna. And I'll leave her link in the description box, you guys, if you guys want to see her tutorials and all her fun videos. If you guys don't know Anna, oh my gosh, you have to subscribe because she is so amazing and such a sweetheart, one of my friends. So, okay guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a blessed day. Have a good weekend too. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.